Hello, my awesome leopards. It's Miss Tierney again, your amazing and talented assistant principal. Today, I would like to update all of you on Find a Friend Friday and our progress so far. So you may be asking yourself, what is Find a Friend Friday again? Let's go ahead and find out. I've gotten a few questions about it, and maybe we have some new students who need to understand what Find a Friend Friday is. So, Find a Friend Friday is an exciting time for our 7th grade leopards here at Mills Park. So by meeting the cafeteria expectations that we've set forth as a staff, students can earn the opportunity to sit anywhere they would like in the cafeteria. And by anywhere, I mean within the parameters of the tables, not on the floor. But the idea behind this opportunity is for our students to find old friends and new friends, or even reconnect with friends whom you've lost touch with. So how do you earn Find a Friend Friday? Well, you do it by following these lunch expectations each day of the week. Here are the expectations that we hold for lunch. So first, raise your hand for permission to leave your seat. Now this includes using the restroom, getting condiments, refilling your water bottle, or even going through the lunch line again. I would say we all need to continue to work on this during our second block. Next, all teams are expected to clean up after yourself. So this includes ensuring all trash is thrown away and accidental spills are cleaned up or reported. Now follow the directives of all staff in the cafeteria, everyone from counselors to principals to cafeteria staff or even substitute teachers. So it doesn't matter who the staff member is, as it's important that we are respectful and comply with all the directives that we are given. For example, if a staff member asks for your name, it's important that you're honest who you are. And our final lunch expectation is to keep the noise level low throughout the week. Not only is it important in the cafeteria, but also in the hallways and especially the stairwells. So one more time, let's review how you can earn Find a Friend Friday, where you can sit anywhere in the cafeteria. First, follow expectations each day of the week. Then, check the whiteboard for progress towards meeting your goal. And finally, hopefully, let's hope, fingers crossed, you receive Find a Friend Friday. So maybe you're asking yourself, so how is our progress for Find a Friend Friday? Are we doing good? All right, well, let's talk about it. So first of all, do not leave your trash for your peers to have to clean. We're getting better about throwing out our trash, and every now and again we will find a lot left on the ground or tables, but I will say for the most part, y'all are decent at making sure your areas are clean. However, we do need to continue to work on this, as our cleaners do not enjoy throwing out other people's trash. Some of the issues we tend to see are crumbs underneath the table or little spills that are not wiped up. So let's talk about the stairwells on each side. If you're on the gold lunch or first lunch, which means you're a wildcat or cheetah, then you should be using the side stairwell over by student services. Now, if you're a purple lunch, which is the second lunch, and that means you're a lynx, a saber, or a panther, then you should be using the stairwell on the opposite side of the cafeteria. The only exception are the students from Mr. Bolchuk's homeroom who have lockers in the middle of our 7th grade hallway. Now those students, they can use the front main stairwell before and after lunch. So please note, if you're on the purple side of the hallway, you should never be seen using the stairwell on the gold side of the hallway. Ever. Like never. So please know, I expect students to be calm and orderly in the stairwells. Remember, our voices echo, so it's extra loud when you yell or shout, and students should not be rough or rowdy or horseplay, as the safety of our students is the highest priority. So maybe you're asking, where do I sit if it's not Find a Friend Friday? So teams are expected to sit at the tables by which they've been assigned. And as you can see in this picture, wildcats and lynx, y'all are supposed to sit on the side nearest the windows and the lunch, where the lunch serving lanes are. You can see the table on the end near the left there is empty. Wildcats and lynx table cleaners clean this area for their teams from top to bottom after y'all have left. So please do your best to throw out trash, clean your spills, pick up crumbs and wrappers from your area. Cheetah, sabers, and panthers, your teams are to sit on the side nearest the stage and auditorium. Now you can see here the first 4 or 5 tables on each side here. Oops, let's go back here. Here and here, those are full of either cheetahs from first lunch or sabers, okay? Then after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there's another empty table right here. And on the second lunch, that's where the Panthers team, that's where they begin to sit. This is the door that the cheetahs, the sabers, and panthers need to be using to enter the cafeteria. Right here, okay? This one, right here. This is another view of the door that the cheetahs, sabers, and panthers use to enter the cafeteria. Please do not use the door closest to the cafeteria. Our MPMS staff need to be able to see who's coming in and out of the cafeteria at all times. By using this door, we can monitor students moving and entering and exit the cafeteria. If you're a cheetah, saber, or panther, we ask that you use this door here when using the restroom or getting water during lunch. This door is the closest to the partition and to the right of the cleaning closet, where the cleaning squad stores all the items needed to clean the lunchroom. So in review, how will you know if your lunch block has earned Find a Friend Friday? You can check a giant whiteboard for your progress each day. And if your teams earn 3 days during an average week in which you're all meeting lunch expectations, then you get Find a Friend Friday. To be clear, Find a Friend Friday is a privilege, not a right. This means that it can be taken away if expectations are not being met. Thanks for listening, Leopards. If you have any questions about Find a Friend Friday, then direct them to your teacher, our counselors, or Ms. Tierney. Stay classy, 7th grade.